Hi Dylan, this is the question that you asked me about number 5 from today. So when they say the least squares equation, what they're asking for is the regression equation. And so you want ax plus b, and the y hat is the same thing as yp, which means y predicted, okay, or estimated. And so what you need to do is to take these values that they've given you here, and these are 4 out of the 5 values that you're going to need to calculate A and B for your equation. If you go back and have a look at the content from Friday, you'll see an example just like this. The one thing that you're missing is the sum of x all squared, but they didn't need to provide that for you because they gave you the sum of x and you just need to square it for that value, and then that goes in here. Okay, so if you calculate these things correctly, all you're going to do is substitute these numbers here into the equations that you're given for A and B. A is the equivalent of slope in the y equals mx plus b equation, and b is your y-intercept, just like before when we were doing the y equals mx plus b in grade 9 math, if you remember back to then. And so for A, you're being asked to find that equation. For B, you're being asked to find y when x equals 2.5. So once you have your equation, let's say you have y equals, say we have y equals 2x plus 3. If x equals 2.5, you would put it in there, and you would do 2 times 2.5 plus 3, and work that out, and get a value. Okay, so that's obviously not the value you're required to get, because I don't have the equation worked out here for you. I'm going to let you do that for part A. But when you get the equation, you're just going to do the same procedure that I showed you, and you're going to put 2.5 in for x and calculate, in this case, not y, but y hat, or yp, which is y predicted. It means the same thing.